welcome back my viewers and subscribers. They're the roundabout church corner and we are headed to Seaforth. Just to give an upgrade look on the road condition on this side, you know, Western St.Thomas. Long time I not come on here. I see some new work are going out of York.
Yeah.
Out of finger post.
Finger post go to York, pass it to the center.
From here just take a look, you know. See what go on the side of the world. Keep on the update. Yeah man, so stick and stay, you know, follow Big Super.
You have to come back now. You can't talk. When someone can't talk, you have to come back. Come to half an hour or 20 minutes. You can't talk. The man ready to be fucked.
Yeah man, road looks smooth out here, clarity.
Yeah man.
Long time I not come on here.
But them still have something more rough in the bonnet now because if you look, you know, some pedestrian walkway.
Oh, I mean,
and some curb wall.
I know the overseas viewers them a point out to me.
All that.
The line when the middle road.
That are going after that time now.
Okay.
It have to go in and some reflector.
Yeah.
Line if you go middle and to end. You have to put in those things. You understand me? I said.
Yeah.
Yeah, but I don't know when
a lot of my viewers them are complaining to me say super. We don't see no line in our road.
Yeah.
And all these things, so we don't know. And thing, but slowly but surely,
yeah, but
St. Thomas getting there.
You see, when I feel say the level of work what we are going, I take place because even some sections where you have
my viewers, let me make sure I tell you, I'm Clarity Flex Jamaica in the car. Yeah, Clarity Flex, yes or no?
Yeah, man, what I say now is that some part of the road, they should have been the curb wall and other things already. Even the pedestrian walkway. Yeah. And I see them put it in.
So something not going in.
Yeah.
Well, maybe, you know, as them go along and I come to an ending.
They might.
Yeah.
But even now,
them should have put them in now.
They should have put them in now because nothing going on at the side right now, so they should be putting in there right now.
Yeah, them should have put in the markings them, yes.
People, as you drive and look at the road and you see what I'm talking about, you know.
Yeah.
You don't see things them look all here, so.
Yeah.
Right?
Them should have a
right here, so you have curve wall right here. But you have other sections, you don't see it. You understand me? Was finished long time.
Yeah.
So it's like them put in some place and then the next place, then just leave it. You understand me? So but give thanks still.
Yeah.
You understand me?
The road look nice and clean and decent. About how much miles from the roundabout to
Seaforth?
To Seaforth. You have an idea?
Probably about 5 to...
About 5 miles?
About 7 kilometers.
Oh, kilometer?
Yeah, I'm not sure.
Okay.
Yeah.
I don't know about that in a mile. My viewers them can fill up the comment section and let me know from the roundabout, a church corner to Seaforth. But the road look nice. We are come up to Finger Post. Alright, so then they do some new paving.
We are going straight road, man.
Yeah, run look nice.
I go straight, man.
Yeah, wow.
You understand me? I said smooth sailing, man.
Smooth sailing. Yeah, man. Slowly but surely, St. Thomas getting there.
You know, sir, we not go fast. We not reach at 50 km per hour now.
Yeah.
To take me time, because you don't know them say speed kills at times.
Yeah, man.
Yeah. And sometimes not only speed, you know.
No, true.
You understand? Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
And sometimes you have to know to control a vehicle on the road, you know.
Yeah.
See it? Smooth sailing, straight through.
I mean, like the vegetation.
And so what happened? They lift the road,
They lift the road,
yeah.
Okay. So the water can run off faster.
They lift the road. That's it.
So when you lift the road, you know, the water tends to run off, look quicker, and all these things, you know.
So you go straight now. But we have one concern coming up right now.
Okay.
You have a small narrow bridge out this side.
Oh, a bridge?
Yeah, don't see them start with anything yet. So most likely
Maybe some more work you need to finish.
Right.
Finish up. That's why they're not really.
Right now.
That's why they're not really done it up.
Alright, so the bridge here, people.
Okay.
See it?
Okay.
See it? Kind of narrow.
Yeah.
Right, so I don't know what them doing about this bridge.
Okay, that's the bridge.
There's no widen it.
Okay.
So, I don't know.
Got the road widen.
Right.
Yeah. So maybe.
But it's a wood pen. Something like so.
Wood pen? I don't know.
See it. Smooth sailing go around more, man.
Yeah, for real.
Yeah, so we have a look at white spot now.
Okay, so already, so that part that we're getting finished up.
Yeah, but the up further down, the up things. Yeah, man, smooth sailing again.
Yeah, for real.
And the local thing you're saying, but not too much.
Yeah. So the road from Seaforth side take time to come on. Slowly but surely.
This is from here, this is Seaforth.
Yeah.
In a Seaforth now.
Mm-hmm.
And there's not really to do.
Oh, this was the last part leave.
Yeah, so when I'm done this section, bam and just start out that side.
Okay. Yeah man, so update from Church Corner. Update from Church Corner to Seaforth.
Yeah, I'm going to section when they do a look out.
Yeah, them do that side again.
Peace.
But me like how them attack the Seaforth side, you know. I wish them did attack Prospect side the same way. You understand? I love how them attack that side and take them time and I go through. The road take time and come up.
The last time, I never see this one.
You never see this the last time?
No, sir.
That means this just do them.
Yeah.
You can look on it, you know. You see this newly done, you know. Yeah man, this newly done. Yeah, so Seaforth, I rise up, you know. Road I do. Because the last time I come here, this never do, you know. Yeah.
The last time I come here, last week or something like that.
So this newly I go through.
Yeah.
So
this really wonder. I wonder.
Oh, so
how far it go?
They say
the man want to do it fast, man.
Yeah, them work fast, man. Them work on the road, so them up here, so. Yeah.
Because the last week also in the section done so they don't go so far.
Yeah. So update my viewers and subscribers.
Yeah, man, looking good, man.
Seaforth looking good again.
Yes, from Morant to Seaforth.
Yeah, from Church Corner.
Church, the Roundabout.
Yeah, from the Roundabout at Church Corner, the people. You can see the road. The road look good clarity. I like
yeah, man.
the road on the one, the line, the marking them, the sidewalk.
We wish
and we know them things they will come.
Morant to Prospect.
That me I say, Morant to Prospect, they look so.
Yeah.
So clarity.
And upon distant.
Yeah. Whole of a road is enough.
Yeah.
Whole of a road is.
Save gas and tires and everything.
Yeah. Whole of a road is in St.Thomas and now start pave up and things. Yeah man.
Then go weird so now, this go weird so now.
Yeah, because the people them which part go reggae falls now. They're not supposed to have no issue. Very much. Seaforth road look nice. Come out here.
It just shake too much.
Yeah, road look nice. Come out here.
Yes, man, smooth sailing, man. Smooth sailing.
I wonder if that road will go straight up to the center.
No, so we'll stop out by a big church. Well, it go right up more now.
Okay.
You go right up at the past the York and go up more also because even Sunday, then there's more work. We go closer up to the Seaforth community.
Okay.
It's a good look still, you know.
Yeah man, a whole of a road, man. Whole of a development, man.
It's a good look.
Whole of a development. Like it stop right there, so, but you can't sit on them grade down here, so. So you so soon start asphalt. Which is good enough when them grade down the road. And when you grade down the road, you can traverse. Vehicle can traverse on it.
surface up at all.
Yeah. Yeah, man, so the grader work there.
See, lift it with.
The work are going in a Seaforth. What a big truck there coming up.
Stop it. I have to stop.
No man, a big truck that.
No man, I'm stopping and give me red flag.
Oh, then give me red flag.
Obey the thing, man.
Okay.
Obey the flag person, but in every road code now.
Okay. So them grade off the road that come straight in, which is good.
So yes, I just put on the mall, resurface and just bam press it and just thing.
And since them grade don't much of clarity, the road feel more better, don't it? But the last time I come here, so it have a pure bumpy bump and something. And run the grader. Run the grader up on the road and the road feel a lot better. A lot better.
It's cool, but I want them to know what's not works on now.
Slowly but surely St.Thomas getting there. Western St.Thomas, Seaforth. You know me always clarity. I always afraid to drive on that. When they drive them come the mall, take the next side, round the scheme side, behind the Aki factory.
The road is bad.
Yeah, but
this road is bad.
Yeah,
so they tend to drive around that side.
Yeah.
But now this side better than around this right now.
And that me I realize. Round so get smooth and nice.
Anyway, it's small but it better.
Yeah, 10 times better than the last time I come here. Yeah, man.
Contract to them. Check what I'm on. My water, man. On the car, I'm on that.
Finish up the underground thing them out of the side there. Seaforth police station. Yeah, maybe was also within the vicinity.
So much shape to blow.
Just take your time, man. Take your time.
You don't want shape for you. You don't want shape for you.
So I'm telling you to take your time.
Hey, get there some of that Seaforth. We are Seaforth around it.
Inside the square of Seaforth, you know the Clarity Flex mobile, big soup and Clarity bars.
Yeah, I'm with friends there when I back sit down and I enjoy the food when I would eat.
Yeah, nice little drive, roughly 15 minutes to come from the roundabout to come to Seaforth.
No, actually I drive slow.
Yeah.
We're not past 45.
No, we're not supposed to do
more. We're not past 50. So
we're not supposed to. So we're there in the square.
I say, so put on.
I guess on the square, right?
Well, yeah, call that. Yeah. It's an turn.
Yes, everybody terminate. Right?
So we're going to primary school. High school.
Oh, we're going to the high school. Okay. What the high school? The left or right? Left. Okay. So you have to go to the high school. Oh, you know, I never been on the high school at Friday.
Yeah.
Never been on the high school yet, you know.
Oh.
Yeah, a lot of the people that may come from Seaforth. When I go say big super make the drive from Church Corner, the Roundabout. Come straight to Seaforth High School.
Yeah, in the Clarity Mobile.
In the Clarity Flex Mobile. Yeah man, so me and Clarity Flex link up, you know, because we are road man. And we always do road people, so you know it go, we ain't do road. You have to just know the road code, you know. At the school list?
No sir.
Okay, okay. Blackout family. Okay. Sorry, we never come on yet, you know. So,
No.
so most of the kids them were in a Seaforth at that school, let them go.
Not really, no.
You have more school running?
Yeah.
In that area?
High school.
Oh, some go Morant, yeah,
some
okay.
might go Lightbird, some go Paul Bogle,
Yeah.
some go Yellows, some go Applegraph, some go St.Thomas Technical.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Okay.
And also at my school, you know, Seaforth Secondary was my school back in the 80s.
You used to go to that school, eh?
Back in the 80s, what do you want?
Yeah, so man.
Back in the 80s.
And so one little kindergarten school over there, sir. Yeah, so see it there. Seaforth High. Yeah, my viewers and subscriber. Big Super is inside the building. The man with the Seaforth High, with the right at the gate. And we are enter in at the school. So I hope you enjoy. I hope you enjoy the little drive. What we get, hope you enjoy the little drive what we get. We can come right at Seaforth. Remember to do the right thing, like, share, subscribe, turn on your post notification bell. Remember to look down at the description and purchase an Amazon link. And remember, I have a link now, where you can donate. Peace out.